We do want to bring you back to some breaking news that we have coming out of Brooklyn, New York, that we do want to bring to you. NYPD, we are learning, is on the scene of a reported shooting of a possible explosion inside of a Brooklyn subway station. So again, this is reports of a shooting and an explosion inside of a Brooklyn subway station. You can see this is a live feed coming in from our Fox 5 New York team with multiple police cruisers and ambulances on the scene. We do want to let you know exactly where this is. This is the subway station in Sunset Park, Brooklyn. So again, there are unconfirmed reports of an explosion along with several people shot. We do know several ambulances and again, police cruisers on the scene as well. This is at the 4th Avenue and 36th Street station. So again, this is some breaking news and we are going to listen in to our Fox 5 New York team, which is carrying this story live.
Let's talk again, okay? Because obviously we're going to be following this all morning. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, and you know, as we mentioned, the subway station, Rob Reagan Medji, what exactly is going on with the subway system right now?
Well, before we get into that, you know, I just want to say our sources are coming in with more information, and we have sources that say what we do know is that the suspect is male, about 185 pounds, last seen wearing a gas mask. I know Robert Moses has just mentioned that. This individual was also wearing an orange construction suit. Throwing a device which then put out some sort of smoke screen and then resulted in shrapnel. So far what we know also, according to our sources, is that 5 people were injured, all on the N train. And as we also know that the NYPD is saying that this began at the 36th Street subway station in Brooklyn in Sunset Park. So obviously there's more information coming in as we're trying to man the controls. Behind me you can see we have our desk. They've been on the phone with sources, with the NYPD, with the MTA, with the FDNY, as many sources as they possibly can, just to try to get information about more about this individual. And of course, obviously, this is just all developing as I'm speaking. But again, all we do know is that sources are telling us it's a male, 185 pounds, last seen wearing a gas mask and wearing an orange jumpsuit of some construction suit, and then throwing a device that resulted in a smoke screen and then shrapnel, injuring 5 people, all on the N train. Rosanna?